Keep that vibe. Drop a side down.
You there, ladies and gents, how's it going? Quite a few of you over the last few months have been asking me how I mount my Insta360 One X when I'm on my motorbike. So I thought, now I've got my camera back after it being fixed, it was about time I blooming showed you. So here we are, out on the bike with the Insta360. So I'm just going to give you a little highlight of what the camera is up to, what it's all about, and what it looks like when I'm recording some twiddly fun. Now unfortunately it's blooming cold, it's actually not very much above freezing, and my tyres can't get any heat in them, and they're a little bit old, so I can't really go hooning, can't really go proper hooning, which is a real shame, because throwing this bike about is something I've been really wanting to do. All I've done is the dirt bikes recently, so getting out on the Triumph is a bit of a treat. Not that riding on the dirt bike is shabby. But anyway, here's some Insta360 One X footage for you. Okay, well, I hope that was an elegant sufficiency of the Insta360 One X, showcasing what it is capable of. Now the app is a bit fiddly for that camera, and I'm still getting my head around it, how it works and all that sort of stuff, so I am not able to give you a full demonstration of the camera just yet, because I haven't had it long enough, and that is down to it braking, and braking cameras is something that isn't awesome. So I've not learnt how that camera works particularly well yet, which is a real shame, because it's bloody marvellous when it works. But anyway, we're here to have a look at how I mount this on my motorcycle. I don't, as you can see, we've got no camera mounted on that motorcycle. I do, however, have it mounted on me. Hello dog, I have a dog friend. Several dog friends. Hello dog friends, hello. Okay, so how have I got this camera mounted? We'll take a little butcher's. At the front we've got these clips keeping it on sturdy, and then we've got this velcro waistband, and then out the back we've got this clever device, all clipped and clamped all together nice and securely, and then it's got, I can't reach them, these two stabilisation straps which stop the need for the camera bouncing, and it cuts down the amount of stabilisation the camera needs to do itself. All clever stuff. So that's the magic. That's how this camera is mounted to my person. It's quite handy. I mean, it all comes apart quite easily too. You can just pull it all apart. I was actually using the Insta360 One X selfie stick in conjunction with this, but I found that the selfie stick is quite flimsy and it didn't really particularly fill me with confidence that it was going to last. The good thing about the selfie stick is because it's extendable, it means that I can have it actually out a little bit further and get a nice better perspective from it, but it does bounce around quite a lot. So yes, I will look into a better solution for that, because I do quite like having it a little bit further back, and that way you can see sort of more bike action and stuff, as opposed to looking like you're just a pillion passenger. Anyhow, yes, this isn't a big video. It's not fancy or clever or anything like that. Not offering you any awesome editing services here. It's just me and a couple of cameras showing you how I make it work for me. Anyway, right, let's get back on the bike, shall we? So that's my camera system, that's my setup, that's how I do these things. It's blooming awesome. There is a link in the description below of the SailVideoSystem's third person mount. It's not cheap, but the Insta360 version of it is cheap, and it's nasty. It looks like it's going to bounce all over the place, which isn't really what you want. Not very useful, even with their flow state super stabilization on a motorcycle. That's just not going to work out for you. Anyhow, if you haven't done so already, why not? Please click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a little thumbs down, it's all good. Whatever you do, please drop in a comment. Let me know what it was you liked and what it was you didn't. If you've got an Insta360 One X and you've got some mount suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. This one here works far better for me than the sitting on the selfie stick like I was doing when I first got the camera. Now this mount is actually mine. I went and bought this one. The very awesome Lamb Chop Rides loaned me his, but because I do the dirty bikes and I have a habit of falling off, or at least I'm planning on having a habit of falling off, I don't think it was fair to trash his one that he ever so kindly loaned me, so I'll be giving that back to him soon. Right, you ride safe, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.